Hey guys, Brandon Hirsch here, and today we're going to be trying 9 different flavors of Bird Dog whiskey. Now I picked these up at my local gas station yesterday, September 8th. At the time of filming this video, it is Tuesday, September 9th. And they're 80 proof whiskey. So, pretty strong. 80, 90, both pretty strong stuff. So, yeah, we're going to review these 9 different flavors and see what I think. So, yeah, let's get into it. First up, we have apple. So, yeah, let's open her up and see what I think. I just taste whiskey. Maybe a small hint of apple, but not much. Overall, I'm just tasting whiskey. Still pretty drinkable, though. Alright, and next up, we have black cherry. Not really smelling any black cherry, but let's see if I can taste some black cherry. Give me a moment. Searching for the black cherry. I'm not really finding it. But overall, still pretty good. Alright, strawberry. Here we have the strawberry. So let's give the strawberry a try. Okay, I'm smelling a very heavy strawberry scent. Let's see what she tastes like. And I taste a very heavy strawberry scent. So yeah, very impressed with that one. Alright, and next up, we have blackberry. Let's see what the blackberry smells like. Let's see if we can find the blackberry. Okay, very subtle, but I smell it. And I very much taste it. I like that. Alright, and next up, we have honey. Smells like honey. Let's see if it tastes like honey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I like that. Alright, and next up, we have chocolate. So, let's get into this chocolate one. First, let's go in for the smell. See if we can smell chocolate. Oh, yes, very much so. Very much so. Let's go in for the taste now. And I taste the chocolate. And it tastes good. Alright, so next up, we have peanut butter. First, let's go in for the smell. Oh, yes, very heavy right off the bat. Very heavy peanut butter smell. Now, let's go in for the taste. I like that. That'll stick with you a while. Alright, and next up, we have salted caramel. Let's go in for the smell. Oh, yes, very much so. Very heavy on the caramel. Mmm. Wow. That smells good. Now let's go in for the taste. I'm very excited about this. Very sweet. But I guess that's to be expected. And last but not least, we have s'mores. We have s'mores. So, yeah, let's try the s'mores flavor. First, let's go in for the smell, like we always do. Okay, okay. I guess if you try very hard, it smells like s'mores. Um, let's see what it tastes like. Hopefully, it doesn't taste bad. Okay. Tastes kind of like marshmallow. I taste the marshmallow in the chocolate. Okay. And maybe a little bit of the graham cracker. I see what they were going for with that one. Did they succeed though? I don't know. I don't think so. Um, But overall, this was just a fun little video. Would I recommend the Bird Dog whiskey? Yeah, if you want to try something different, or maybe you've had Bird Dog whiskey and it's your favorite whiskey. I don't know. But yeah, overall, I just thought this would be a fun little video idea to put out there and do. So yeah, this is almost 11 minutes long, so we're gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and for now, peace out and bye bye.